So in this video, we're going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out with your weapon. Okay, so we're going to go to script folder and we're going to create a script and we're going to name it weapon zoom. And then we're going to open it. Then we're gonna delete and paste the new code. Then we're gonna assign the correct namespace using Cinemachine and UnityEngine.ui. So we're creating a Cinemachine virtual camera and zoom in and zoom out float variables. And then we have the animator, our weapon animator, and the image components, which is going to be our aim point, and then a boolean variable zoom in toggle. I don't think we need the game object weapon. Let's just delete it. On the update function, we're going to check if we click on the right click on the mouse, and then we're going to check if zoomed in toggle equal to false. Like if we are not already clicking, then we're gonna disable our image components, which is gonna be the weapon endpoint, and then we're gonna call the zoom in function, and we're gonna set the boolean parameter of our weapon animator zoom in to true. Otherwise, we're gonna zoom out and enable the components, the image, and then we're gonna set the zoom in to false. In the zoom in function, we're gonna set zoom in toggle to true and set our virtual camera field of view to zoomed in field of view value, which is 20 basically. And in the zoom out function, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna set zoom in toggle to false and set the field of view to zoomed out field of view value, which is 40. Okay, now we're gonna go to window, animation, then click on animation, and then we're gonna click on the scar weapon object, and then we're gonna click on create animation clip. We're gonna name it zoom in, and then we're gonna add property to position and rotation. Okay, we're gonna delete the end keyframes, and then let's just go put it down here, and then we're gonna click on the record button. Okay, and then we're gonna adjust the value properly, so like to make it look like the weapon is zooming in, you know, like aiming. Okay, yeah, this is better. As you can see here, like the user is aiming. And then now let's click on the record button again, and then let's just move it to 0.5. Okay, open the animator tab, and then we're gonna create a state. We're gonna name it zoom in. Okay, let's duplicate it, and this is gonna be zoom out. Okay, so we're gonna assign the animation and set the speed to 3. Also, we need to make sure it's not looping, so we're gonna uncheck loop. And then in the zoom out, we're gonna also assign the animation and set the speed to -3. And then here we're gonna remove animation to none and rename it to idle. Now we're gonna add a parameter, a boolean. We're gonna name it zoom in. It should be the same name as written in the script here, as you can see. Okay, now we're gonna make the transition. We're gonna click on exit time, like uncheck it, and then the condition should be zoom in to equal to true. Then we're gonna transition to zoom out if zoom out equal to false. Also uncheck the exit time, and then retransition back if zoom in is equal to true, and also click on exit time, like uncheck it. Now in the game object, let's add the weapon script, the weapon zoom that we created. Let's assign the variables. This is the cinema machine, and then the animator, and then the image components, which is the aim point. Now let's play. As you can see, when I click on the right click, it's zoom in and also activate the animation. Thank you guys for watching.